me, acknowledge me, favor me, be a friend to me. Surprisingly, I'll thrive. Affirm me, influence my heart to love, respect the life of God from above. Surprisingly, I'll thrive. Affirm me.
For 2018, we have selected the theme, Affirm Me. The word affirm is an acronym for acknowledge me, befriend me, favor me, influence me positively, respect me, motivate me.
If a child lives with hostility, he learns to fight. If a child lives with ridicule, he learns to be shy. If a child lives with shame, he learns to feel guilty. If a child lives with pity, he learns to feel sorry for himself.
With so much negativity in the society, children need an environment that fosters love, care, friendship, and appreciation. To change a generation, we start with a child. We must therefore use the God-given opportunity afforded us to shape the lives of these young ones through our words and action.
When we live with approval, we learn to like ourselves. When we live with praise, we learn appreciation. So teach us recognition, so we learn it's okay to have goals. Teach us acceptance, so we can learn to love.
Be careful how you criticize and accept my right.
We also use the opportunity to encourage all the churches across the length and breadth of Jamaica to celebrate our children on the same day the National Child Month Committee hosts the church service.
National Children's Day, which falls on the third Friday in May annually, will be held this year on May 18. Volunteers will converge in Halfway Tree, downtown Kingston and Montego Bay between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m.
The National Children's Day seeks to honor, remember, esteem, and appreciate all our children by showing them love, helping them to feel special in the same manner we are honored as parents on Mother's Day and Father's Day.
Be sure to wear yellow and support the cause. On May 30, there will be a National Day of Prayer and Fasting at the Maypen New Testament Church in Clarendon. That service will run between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Outside the month, but allied to the observation, is the Youth Outstanding Achievement Award ceremony. It will be held at the Knutsford Court Hotel on June 27.
The award honors the non-traditional high school students who excel academically in their CSEC passes, are good role models in their community and school, and they face challenging circumstances but overcome and do well in their exams.
The annual Youth Month Forum is slated for November 2 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the St. Andrew Parish Church. This year, the National Child Month Committee has partnered with the Jamaica Fire Brigade on its Jamaica's Future is on Fire, Make We Fix It campaign. A similar partnership has been forged with the Institute of Jamaica for its Hush Symposium on May 17.
I take this opportunity to invite organizations, groups, or individuals who are hosting activities for children in the month of May to register the same with us.
To register, visit the committee's Facebook page, call 466-6372 or email ncmcja@gmail.com.
Affirm me, acknowledge me, favor me, be a friend to me. Surprisingly, I'll thrive. Affirm me.